Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Spark Your Soul. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're going to explore the concept of trust with 40 powerful quotes that will inspire and uplift your spirits. Trust is the foundation of all healthy relationships, so let's dive right in and discover what some of the greatest minds have to say about it. Whoever is careless with the truth in small matters cannot be trusted with important matters. The best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them. I don't trust people who don't love themselves and tell me, "I love you." It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. If you think about that, you'll do things differently. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Lots of people want to ride with you in the limo, but what you want is someone who will take the bus with you when the limo breaks down. Loyalty and devotion lead to bravery. Bravery leads to the spirit of self-sacrifice. The spirit of self-sacrifice creates trust in the power of love. I am a firm believer in the people. If given the truth, they can be depended upon to meet any national crisis. The great point is to bring them the real facts. Trust men, and they will be true to you. Treat them greatly, and they will show themselves great. These quotes are just the beginning. We've got 30 more incredible quotes on trust coming up. So, stick around, and let's keep this journey going. I'm not upset that you lied to me, I'm upset that from now on, I can't believe you. It's hard to trust when all you have from the past is evidence of why you shouldn't. Never trust the advice of a man in difficulties. The best proof of love is trust. The people when rightly and fully trusted will return the trust. To be trusted is a greater compliment than being loved. To earn trust, one must be vulnerable and open to the possibility of pain. There can be no vulnerability without risk. Trust in a relationship is very crucial. Without trust, a relationship can't move forward. Trust is built when someone is vulnerable and not taken advantage of. Trust is like a vase. Once it's broken, though you can fix it, the vase will never be the same again. Trust is like blood pressure. It's silent, vital to good health, and if abused it can be deadly. Trust is the easiest thing in the world to lose, and the hardest thing in the world to get back. Trust is the first step to love. Trust is the fruit of a relationship in which you know you are loved. Trust is the glue of life. It's the most essential ingredient in effective communication. It's the foundational principle that holds all relationships. Trust is the highest form of human motivation. It brings out the very best in people. Trust is the key to both personal and professional success. Trust is the most valuable and fragile thing in life. When you build trust, it can make you. When you break trust, it can break you. Trust should be the basis for all our moral training. You may be deceived if you trust too much, but you will live in torment unless you trust enough. You may not always trust the people you love, but you can always love the people you trust. It's no wonder that truth is stranger than fiction. Fiction has to make sense. The truth is like a lion, you don't have to defend it. Let it loose, it will defend itself. The truth is rarely pure and never simple. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. The truth will set you free, but first, it will piss you off. There is no greatness where there is no simplicity, goodness, and truth. Three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. To tell the truth is very difficult, and young people are rarely capable of it. The truth is more important than the facts. And there you have it, 40 inspiring quotes on trust that remind us of the importance of this essential virtue in our lives. Trust is the glue that holds our relationships and societies together. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Let us know in the comments which quote resonated with you the most, or if you have a favorite trust-related quote that we missed. Thank you for joining us today on Spark Your Soul. Remember, trust is the foundation of all meaningful connections, so go out there and build trust, and you'll build strong, lasting relationships. Until next time, take care and stay inspired.